Oh, this just turned kind of sketch. Here's how this shoot's going so far. This morning I was supposed to be on a hot air balloon, canceled. So I said, all right, I'll go shoot sunrise. Got up, clouds came in, no colors. I was walking back, accidentally came across a herd of, it was more than 5, but 5 have followed me here, 5 dogs, and they chased me up on top of one of these fairy chimney things. I've been up here now for about 10 minutes. They came from this way. That's where I came. I ran down here and then up onto this thing. Go home. Okay, I switched to the GoPro because I need a little bit more space to work, but I've got a crazy plan here. I'm gonna try to launch the drone and fly it away and hope that they follow the noise. All right, here we go. There's just these 2 more dogs on the hill now. If I can just get them to follow the drone a bit further, I should have enough time to land the drone, pack it up, get off here, and then walk back down to the street. So that just completely worked. They're all gone. Now I just have to make sure they don't follow the drone back. And then I'm gonna bolt out of here once I get down. But all right, stay tuned. Yes! Okay, let's see when I posted the first Instagram story. 33 minutes ago. I've been up here for 33 minutes. All right. All right, looks like the coast is clear. Oh my God. Sucked. I mean, I love adventures, but that was actually, that was legitimately scary because there was a point where they started running and there was no high ground immediately around me. So, yeah, it was kind of sketch, but as you can tell, I survived. And make sure you subscribe so you don't miss crazy adventures like that from these shoots that happen in the future.